Let's see if you belong to the 15% who get this right. The question is 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 times 3 over 4. Most people add first, then they say 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 before they multiply by 3 over 4, which is wrong. When solving something like this, we solve using the PEMDAS rule. And in PEMDAS, multiplication and division appear before addition and subtraction. So since we are having addition and multiplication here, that means we have to multiply before we add. So now, how do we solve this?
Welcome to Math with Miss Becca, where we break down tricky math concepts into clear, step-by-step lessons you can understand in minutes. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
To solve this, we have 1 over 2 plus we multiply 1 over 3 by 3 over 4. And since we are multiplying, we just multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. That means 1 times 3 gives 3, and then 3 times 4 gives 12. So now we can add 1 over 2 plus 3 over 12. Another way you can multiply this is by saying 1 over 3 times 3 over 4. Since we have a common number in the numerator and the denominator and we are to multiply, 3 will cancel 3. So this will give 1 over 4. And if this gives 1 over 4, then we can add it to 1 over 2. That way, we have simplified it and then it will be easier to add than not simplifying it. So now we can add by saying 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. This way now, we have expressed 3 over 4 in its simplest form, which is 1 over 3. So, and if you multiply straight and you got 3 over 12, you can just look for the common factor. 3 will go in 12, so this will give 3 here 1 and 3 in 12, 4. You can use any method that you find easy. So now let's add. What is the LCM of 2 and 4? It's definitely 4. So we say the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 2 will go in 4 2 times, then 2 times 1 is 2. Then plus 4 will go in 4 once and 4 times 1 is 1. So this will give 3 over 4. And if you don't want to use the LCM method, another way you can add two fractions is by multiplying the first one by the denominator of the second one and then multiply the second one by the denominator of the first one. That is, you just multiply 1 over 2. We say 4 over 4 times 1 over 2. And here we say 2 over 1 over 4 times 2 over 2. So that this way we have 4 over 8, then plus 2 over 8. And that way, since we're having the same denominator now, we can just add the numerators and this will give 6 over 8. Then you simplify. If you simplify this now, 3 will go in 6, 2 will go in 6 3 times, and 2 will go in 8 4 times. You will still get 3 over 4. So tell me, which of this method will you prefer to use? Will you rather use this method or will you prefer to use this method? Let me know if you got the answer, and also let me know the method you prefer in the comments. Let's know if you are one of the 15% who got this right.